Taob na naman ng kupunan ni Kai Sotto na Yokohama kontra sa Mikawa Seahorses. Tambak madala ang inabot ng Yokohama 77-55. Though kahit natalo ang Yokohama ay double-double naman ang naitala ni Kabayan. 11 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 monster block. Siya ang second leading scorer ng team. Masyadong maalat si Utah at Kawamura. Nasayang lang ang effort ni Kabayan sa team. Well, sa first quarter pa lamang ng laban ay maalat na ang ka-teammate ni Kai Sotto. At narito ang mga highlights ni Kabayan.
Inside, big slam there. Couple of moves, but once again, time with a poor pass. Nice. The moment Gardner gets that pass, you've got to be in his face. It's a good call. You can see Sotto gets it over the outstretched arm of Kai Sotto. Nice swing, Suda for three. Yes! Did they get inside? Kai Sotto's gonna miss. This time he slams it through. Game actually has had a very good flow offensively. That's a nice slam there.